Welcome to creativekiwis.com. We have original books, ebooks and audiobooks written by Bill Rosoman from Waikato and Craig Locke from Tairawhiti. We are featuring one of our popular books, How to Use Android smartphones and tablet devices. This gives you some basic information, but also intermediate and advanced, so that you can get the most out of your smart device. It's written by Bill Rosoman, who has a diploma in computing and 30 plus years involved with technology. And all our ebooks, audiobooks and books, plus some media videos, are available at creativekiwis.com. You are most welcome to visit.